Hello and good morning to all of you. Dear students, I am Engineer Mukesh Kushwaha and I am the founder of Kushwaha Academy Darbhanga. Dear students, I am here to announce about the starting of new batch of class 12th. Dear students, a completely fresh batch of class 12th is going to start from tomorrow, that is from 16th of April 2024. Dear students, must join this class to get the proper knowledge of English, Hindi, and Mathli, and to get good marks in your upcoming examination. Students, please do share this video to those students who are in the search of good knowledge and good coaching and have not joined anyone yet. Dear students, I would like to tell you about the location of this academy. It's Gita Complex near Sarvoda High School, Gangasagar, Darbhanga. And don't forget the timing of the batch. It's from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. I will repeat the location and timing of this batch. The location is Gita Complex near Sarvoda High School, Gangasagar, Darbhanga, and the timing of the batch is from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Dear students, for any inquiry, please contact us on any of these two mobile numbers. Our mobile numbers are, the first one is 7739474473 and the second one is 8210165099. Thank you. Love you all.